Dear Kuwait Kenra Welfare Association members, I am really overwhelmed to hear that you have come forward to support our DAYA special children. Kuwait Kenra Welfare Association KCWA has been the pioneer in establishing DAYA Special Children Center. As we have been looking for funds to meet the dire needs of these excluded special children, you are really an angel God sent to us. We wholeheartedly thank you for extending your helping hand in times of acute need. Recently, you have been instrumental in realizing the dream of auditory verbal therapy facility for speech and hearing impaired children. Now we have 150 enrolled multiple disabled children. The number of admissions rises every week. Whatever pitiable condition they come, we accept them as God-sent children and do our best so that they may able to sit and smile. As new children with acute disabilities join us, we need to update ourselves in our intervention. Due to your constant guiding support, our multiple disabled special children have improved in health, hygienic practices, basic learning and skills training. We do not have a government grant, though we are striving hard to avail it. It might take another year or two. All our humane service to the special children is done through good-hearted, kind donors. We, along with these special children, are praying for you and your families. May the Lord, who healed the sick, fed the hungry, and comforted the afflicted, may grant you His abundant blessings. Once again, thank you, dear KCWA, for joining us in a noble cause towards DAYA special children. God bless you.